Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. Please enjoy my video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Genetically modified organism monkey. History of GMO. With the discovery of DNA in the early 90s and various advancements in genetic techniques through the 1970s, it became possible to directly alter the DNA and genes within food. The first genetically modified plant was produced in 1983 using an antibiotic-resistant tobacco plant. Gmo Monkey. The laboratory monkeys run obsessively in circles, largely ignore their peers and grunt anxiously when started at. Engineered to have a gene that is related to autism spectrum disorder in people. The monkeys are the most realistic animal model of the condition yet. Say their creators, researchers hope that the animals will open up new ways to test treatments and investigate the biology of autism. But the jury is still out on how well the monkey's condition matches human autism. First monkeys with customized mutations born. Autism has a vast array of symptoms and types, and researchers think that at least 100 genes played a part. The rhetoric drug prevents autism in mice and rats. The next breakthrough came out about a year later, when the monkeys showed behaviors that hinted at autism, running around in tight circles in a strange manner. This is a picture of a baby GMO monkey and an adult GMO monkey. Possible questions. Number 1. What is a genetically modified animal? Number 2. How were the genes inserted into the monkey genome? Number 3. Could genetically modified animals pose a risk to the environment? Number 4. Are there any risks to human health? Number 5. Can it provide any benefits? Consequences. Number 1. GMOs are unhealthy. The American Academy of Environmental Medicine, AAEM, urged doctors to prescribe non-GMO diets for all patients. Number 2. GMOs contaminate forever. GMOs cross-pollinate and their seeds can travel. It's impossible to fully clean up our contaminated gene pool. Self-propagating GMO pollution will outlast the effects of global warming and nuclear waste. Number 3. GMOs increase herbicide use. Most GM crops are engineered to be herbicide tolerant. They deadly weed killer. Monsanto, for example, sells Roundup ready crops designed to survive applications of their Roundup herbicide. Number 4. Genetic engineering creates dangerous side effects. By mixing genes from totally unrelated species, genetics engineering unleashes a host of unpredictable side effects. Number 5. Government oversight is dangerously lax. Most of health and environmental risks of GMOs are ignored by government's superficial regulations and safety assessments. The reason for tragedy is largely political. Number 6. The biotech industry uses tobacco science to claim product safety. Biotech companies like Monsanto told us that Agent Orange, PCBs, and DDT were safe. They are now using the same type of superficial research to try to convince us that GMOs are safe. Number 7. Dependent research and reporting is attacked and suppressed. Scientists who discover problems with GMOs have been attacked, gauged, fired, threatened, and denied funding. The journal Nature acknowledged that a large block of scientists. Number 8. GMOs harm the environment. GM crops and their associated herbicides can harm birds, insects, amphibians, marine ecosystems, and soil organisms. They reduce biodiversity, pollute water resources, and sustainable. Number 9. GMOs do not increase yields and work against feeding a hungry world. Whereas sustainable non-GMO agricultural methods used in developing countries have conclusively resulted in yield increase of 79 degrees and higher. GMOs do not on average increase yields at all. This evident in the Union of Concerned Scientists 2009 report failure to yield the definitive study of on GMO and yield By avoiding GMOs, you contribute to coming tipping point of consumer rejection, forcing them out of food supply. Because GMOs give no consumer benefits. If even a small percentage of us start rejecting brands contain them, ingredients will become a marketing liability. Food companies will kick them out. In Europe, for example, the tipping point was achieved in 1999. Just after a high-profile GMO scandal hit the papers, alerted citizens to the potential dangers.